kayen nang makulugani pulang pugna baby ay lala kayen nang makulugani uyal wala kayen nang uyal dimi ya gurgulan nang aba kabapendi gurgulan nang ka gurgulan dobe ya putulu kanyang malkoro katuna malkoro ka gurgulan kul fria kul fria putulung gurgulan kayeg sebo kalir nanini ntiyalula lulaye ndamin nasor malaya da kalak nasore asi nasor kayada gurgulan borle aba jama waye.
Good evening, my brothers and sisters. This is your brother, your father, your grandfather, your grandchild, the great Malan Yakubu. I'm a powerful spiritual man who lives in northern part of Ghana, who help people in so many. If you have any spiritual problem, and you need my help, try to pick my number on the screen and call me. Okay? You are a girl, or you are a woman, or you are a man, try to pick my number on the screen. I am here because of you, and you are here because of me. If you are watching me, you are watching the great Malan Yakubu, number one. I am the only powerful spiritual man they are calling Malan Yakubu. Only me, the whole world. Only and only me. Yeah. But if you have any spiritual problem, try to contact me and I'll help you. But I want to tell you something. If you know that you don't have money, you don't have money, don't pick my number. If you know that you don't have money, don't pick my number. But if you are seriously needing my help, I say try to pick my number on the screen. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can let you be happy. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can let you be rich. Only and only me. You don't see that I'm laughing. I'm happy to be here. I'm deeply happy. And I want people Ghanaians or Africans or world to know, if they say spirit, I am the spirit. I am the spirit. But I want to tell you something you can know. If you really need the great one, if you really want to meet me, just watch on the screen and pick my number and I'll help you. If you have any help and it is spirit and spiritually, I should contact me. I am the only and only powerful spiritual man who can help you. The great Malan Yakubu, number one. Only me. Just watch on the screen and pick my number. Otherwise, if you refuse, you will lose. But I want to tell you something you understand me, Ghanaians. If you really want me, the great Malan Yakubu, people are using my pictures on YouTube. People are using my videos on YouTube. People are using me on Instagram. People are using me on Facebook. But it's not me. If you want to what? If you want to meet me, if you just get my number, just try to contact me and call me video call before you what? You will send your money to me. And if you want to meet me, just come to me and meet me, the great man. I am the only one. But even if you go to YouTube, you will see me. I'm on YouTube. Yeah. I'm on YouTube. Yeah. I'm an only spiritual man who can what? Who can help you. Anywhere that you want to see me, I'm there. If you have any spiritual problem, my brother, my sister, try to pick my number and contact me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can let you to be someone in future. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can let you to be someone in your life. So try to pick my number on the screen and call me. If you refuse, you will lose. I said if you refuse, you will lose. My brothers and sisters, my brothers Ghanaians, Africans, Nigerians, Gambians, Italians, I said pick my number and contact me. If it's not me, nobody can help you. No one. Only me, the great man. I am the only one who can solve your problem. And I want you to know something, my brother. Don't go somewhere and some man have taken your money and you say that you will not do the work again. My brother, and if you are watching the screen and you just see the great man and Yakubu, I said try to pick my number and contact me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can solve a problem. Only me. Nobody is there. No one. I am the only one. And I trust in myself. If you know that you believe in yourself, that you have a spirit. If you are a spiritual man and you know that you believe in yourself and you have a spirit, I am proving myself. Just pick my number and contact me. And later and come on live on TV and I and you go face. Or if you are a pastor, pastors, my brothers, pastors are here to fraud people. Pastors are here to fraud people. Pastors, they are here on TV to fraud people. I said it, the great man and Yakubu. And I live in Tamale. And I have my wives. I have some of my shrines in Accra. At Ashama Estate. Yes, at Ashama Estate. Ashama Estate. And if you want to be Tamale, you will see me. I'm there live. And next, if you come to Yendi, you will see me again. My brothers and sisters, if you are a Christian, try to pick my number and contact me and I'll help you and I'll change your life. I tell you, some pastors are on television saying that they are what? They are spiritual pastors or they have this, they have this. All of them, they are liars. All of them, they are liars. I told you, all of them, they are liars. Pastors, all of them, they are liars. May I have only my word, my one pastor, only my one pastor, only and only one. And he can do what you want. Yes, only and only one. I believe in him, and he know me. That he's my friend. Pastor Obuafo, he's my friend. And if you are a pastor and you believe in yourself, just contact me, the great man Yakubu. Yeah, I trust in myself and I believe in myself. My brother, if you are outside Ghana and you really want to meet me, the great man Yakubu, just pick my number. And my number is +233 24 650 6334. That is my number. +233 24 650 6334. That is my what? That is my WhatsApp number. That is my real number. If you really want to meet me, just take that number and contact me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. If you are anywhere and you need spirit, if you are sick, anything that you have a spirit, you have to contact me. Ghana for me chiamo, mo papa, mo ba, and our ba TV so. O pese mo hu se ade o me fra aduro. Nkonfo bebre ebe jonkrofo sikadi. And I person nkrofo bebre. Omo use me the great man Yakubu. Me pictures and me videos. Agent nkrofo sikadi. Before obe meet me no, o pese unhia me ankasa. Fa me number. O fa me number from video call. Me na me kai the great man Yakubu. Me say o fa me number from video call. O fra me video caller. Na woni wan hunu me, na me no wakasa. Na me bia akoyama. Papa, mama, me nua bemma, me nua ba. Unana na aba TV so. Aba be de aba solve problem ma. If uwa Accra, uwa Badia, and hear me the great man Yakuba. In there, my aba TV so. Family number na frame. Me say family number na frame the great man Yakubu. If enye me obia ni ho obetima boa. Me say if enye me obia ni ho obetima boa. Papa, mama, mpesa me catch you say, among for aba abeju nkrofo skadi. And asante for me na mo say, patakoria dos ama yo hunkra mo papa. Eya no kure. Patakoria shir dos ama yo hunkra papa. Ba me pesa me catch you say nyame a obo wo no. Ye nyina one boy say e baako. E ba for say baako na just watch your fingers. Is it one? It's not one. And it cannot be one. So ye nyina nyame na boy baako. And if only me say ope adro, uwa haumu, and ope say me mboa. Me say your schemes na family number the great man Yakubu. One family number obe boka. Me say one family number obe boka papa mami. Upe mboa bia opa. Me say freme. Me say freme. Me na maba no, maba. Muti so na maba ha say no. me ba me boa mo mboa me boa bebre mboa me boa me bebre mboa me boa bebre me na ma ka kire mo me se mboa me boa mo bebre how be wo me se me met ma so of am me je wo hunti ena aduro no so mu wo bi me ye dagomba ni me ye dagomba ni me se me ye dagomba ni how be wo me se frame me ye dagomba ni ena me met ma boa me na me boa am problem ya ba solve mame wakwa dika ena uniska obetua sika wura me se fa me number na frame instant money me se frame me boa if wakwa di obika ena sika ra de me abo uniska obetua me se frame me boa wate aya me nko the great man Yakubu papa wakwa di sika obe start business wakwa di loan ena sika ra de me ahye me se frame me boa aya me the great man Yakubu mu papa mu nana baba TV so me ba be bomo asobo mu nyina wo probe e de amamo me na me ka no me say pastor for agi musika bebere agi mu hwe pastor obi nim ade a oye papa mame me fi omu nyina me se fa the great man Yakubu oba ukunu unana baba TV so nde me se fa me number na me boa one for me number obeboka papa upe loto atwa me se loto ajuma loto me se for me number loto de some kito enema me loto for me number loto no so upe loto a obe frame obe pe 100 cedis e da to double any snap any de 100 cedis beto aye loto ajuma mawo na so what the loto no me se double any snap no be pa ba na ma boa na so wanye loto number mame Mr. Upe Lotto, family number. Mimi nyasane na jinambo, sane na jibidabi. Mimi ye dogomba niya, me pasa mu chamsa, mimi ye busumpenyin, ena mimi wa aduro, aduro mi wobi. Mi jimu hundi, ena mi kano, misi mi jimu hundi. If uni misi ya wa ben acheme ya, misi family number na frame. If you conform na uni misi wa ben huache, misi family number na frame. Papa, mame, family number. Uyo oba ena unwa awo ekawa awo family number na frame the great man Yakubu na memboa awo na meka na wasem na meka na miso family number one family number be boka uyare stroke na acho family number na memboa na yare na nkonjao why miso family number yare bia how mame uwo oba ena oba na person onko abroad oni sika ana oni pesa family number na frame ana uwo abroad na upe pipe sa me se family number na frame the great man Yakubu me na betima boa me na betima ma bia koso ye de amawo if enya me a obia enni ha if enya me a na ka kire ofa papa ma me if enya me a obia enni o betima boa me se frame the great man Yakubu frame wo number was 024 650 6334 024 650 6334 me number no Mimi ankasa me number on the great man Yakubu me ba ko pe. Me se frame na wo so onya ade a wo pe. One frame wo beboka. Frame. Eye be the great man. Me na metima ma wo problem be solve. If enya me obi anya obetima boa. Manya muta ni Ghana. Na so mbarku Ghana nini baba nkuga ka nkuga the great man Yakubu. Na so kan TV Ghana mbarku Ghana. Wor muta ni so na so kan TV so am ku kariya. Ka Ghana. Ni mana so fa be kuni ba na so kashe ku na so fa be kuni in kana da wani problem ni kasa kana da wani magana in kana da wani problem in mutum ne baka doka dubakan scheme na kada dubakan scheme na ka doka na maka kira in kana Nigeria ni kana Ghana ni kana Niger ni Africa ni kana UK ni kana koina in kasan kana jin Hausa ke ba Hausa ni doka na ba na ka kira ni nini abokinka babanka the great man Yakubu nike magana na ni kade ba sara na garinga ba sara na duniya ga ni kade ne nazo me fabe kuni ba nazo kashe ku ba nace nazo fabe kuni ba nazo kashe ku ba in ka san kana son kudi instant money nace kirani in ka kirani ko mi yayi dede in ka san kana son kudi instant money kirani in kana son packet no dry ka kira ni komi ya idede kajko nini babanka kakanka the great man Yakubu. Kaji, nkasa kana son kudi, l'argent, kudi, echekrani. Mabe dagbamba, eba, ebia, itizombo, the great man Yakubu, dagbana kunyama, enlebam na bank na mel sonsam. I bought na bor sonsam kai bora, bole money. I bought a lotto sonsam, yum bolema. I bought a laptop ga, bumbo bisha laptop la kudi, and Cambonsia ne sika, kadunga kudi, Casamisia ne bumbo lare, Canajan ne la jan, bolema. I bought a bucata na male. Abutuara, yum bolema. I mean Yamaka Quara, you will scream a capon Namaka Kanta sa, ka sa yoza, ka bukata men na on you kone. Teno booster makana one nanga. Can labor na bang, ni bang, one yama. My brothers and sisters, this is your father. I've already told you, the great man Yakubu, a powerful spiritual man who be in northern part of Ghana, who be in West Africa, anywhere I go. If you have any spiritual problem, try to pick my number and contact me and I'll help you. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can solve a problem. If you want lotto number, I said lotto number, try to pick my number on the screen and call me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I am the only powerful spiritual who can let you win a lotto. Only me, the great man Yakubu. Number one, in this world, only me. My name is the great man Yakubu. Only me. If you need packet no dry, I said packet no dry, call me. I will help you to get it. If you reach ritual money, call me. If you want a lack at your business place, try to call me. I said try to call me, contact me, the great man, and I'll help you. And your problem will solve. Only me can solve a problem, my brother. But I want to tell you some scenario. If you don't have money, don't pick my number and call me. And I'm not forcing anybody to help him. Oh. God have already blessed me. So I'm here to bless you too. Do you understand what I mean? I am the only one who can bless you. So if you don't have money, don't call me. Or don't WhatsApp me, don't text me. Do you understand what I mean? But if you need my help, you are really serious needing my help, just pick my number on the screen. I said just pick my number on the screen. Any problem that you have, in spiritual, contact me. I cannot sit here and explain all the problems. If you know that you are sick, you need a lotto number, packet no dry. If you want to join a spiritual group, try to contact me. Only me can change your life. I'm a Ghanaian like you. I will never deceive you. Trust me. Yeah. Trust me. Just trust me. Yeah. I am here to solve your problem. Your father is here to solve your problem. So try to contact me. Just pick my number and WhatsApp me. If you need me, just go to YouTube. You can get me. The great man Yakubu, I'm there. Only me can change your life. Only me can solve a problem. Only me can let you go anywhere that you want to go. So try to understand what I mean. And try to hear what I said. I'm here because of you. And you are watching me because of me. Do you understand? So if you have a problem, just pick my number and contact me so that I'll help you. Just watch on the screen and pick my number and I'll help you. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. Only me. So try your best to contact me for your help, for your spiritual help. I'm not a God, but I can solve your problem. It's God who creates me, my brother. And it's God who creates you. And He's the one who gives you the problem. And He's the one show you that I am the one who can solve the problem. That is why you are watching me today. Live. So try to pick my number and contact me. My brother, my sister, my grandfather, my grandmother. Just watch on the screen and call me. Malam, so, and I'll solve a problem. And I'm not here for money. I have money. And God have already blessed me. I have it. Money. I said I have it. So, if you have any spiritual problem, try to contact me. Try to contact me and I'll help you. Try your best. Yeah, try your best, my brother. If you are at Nigeria, if you are Benin, anywhere that you are in this world, try to contact me. I am the one who can solve it. Your problem, only me can solve it. Only me. Nobody's there. Yeah. I believe in myself. I said I believe in myself. So trust me. Yeah. Yeah, trust me. And I'm here to let you know what they call spirit. After here, I will do some small actions. And you see, after here, I will do some small action. I'll just comment some small money. Not plenty, no, small money to see. And I will let you know that if you want a spiritual money, Kudi Laja from a number, just contact me. Ghanaians, if you need the 2 million that an alcohol has bring, contact me. If you are MP and you want to win an election, this is campaign year. As I pick my number, contact me, the great man Yakubu, my brother, and I'll help you, and then your problem will solve. If you are a minister and you have a problem, try to contact me. If you are a lawyer and you have a problem, contact me. Anybody you are. If you are a soldier man or you are a policeman, my brother, pick my number and I'll help you. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, my brother, trust me. I told you I want to do some small action. Don't plenty, no, my brother. My brothers and sisters. The person may hear some small action be. Now, so you want action, Kadani. Unkubon Name la Jelfukinya. Come shop, Jelakanya and Kaza. And Jela for Bulumakankana. Chule. My brothers, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is a paper. This is a graphic. It's a graphic, my brothers and sisters. This one is a graphic. Try to see, this one is a graphic. Where a graphic? Where a graphic? Where a graphic? The person who say where a graphic. I did a graphical way a graphic. Where the person who wear a graphic. A graphical. Okay. Graphic on the way a graphic. Where's the SI there? Where's a graphic? The person who say where's a graphic? Where's a graphic? Why, Ja, Jahini, Jakatadua, Jafata Matakatadua, fire! Sim! I'm telling. Where a graphic? Why, Ja, Jahini, Jafata. This is where a graphic, where a sika, Papa, this is where a sika, where a sika, where. Sika, where sika. Papa, mame, sika no. Where sika, sika. Ghana cities, where sika. The person in Chemo, I dear Mufra Aduro. Where enya assembly am, where cameraman, Becumu, cameraman, Cum. They been the one, Papa, mame, began him, Papa, Missy, began cameraman. The person may yes and Chinemo. Where okiti katapa ya apena mamu wata kwatapta jahili chikotobrata we are commanded to go commission by Roma to go and give Ghana $, Europe tim jahili jafata dwa au Ghana tim probably. My brothers and sisters, I just want to show you why they call money. Yes, why they call money. I just want to show you why they call money. This is Europe, just watch. This is Europe. So my brother, if you are watching me, just pick my number and contact me. This is Europe. Just pick my number and contact me, the great man and Yakubu. I am the one who can solve your problem. Just call me the great man, only me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. The money is still coming. This is a Europe. Just try to watch. This is a Europe. Just try to watch me. I am the only one who can solve your problem. Only me, only the great man and Yakubu, who can change your life. Who can solve your problem? This is pounds. If you are Ghana, this is pounds. Just watch. Pounds. My brother, do you ever see this man? This is pounds. So if you really need the money, call me the great man and Yakubu, and I'll help you. I said, call me the great man and Yakubu, and I'll change your life for you. Just watch me. That is money. This one is a Europe, still Europe. I just want you to know that if it's money, I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. Only me. Only this one is a money. It's a money. Just watch. The money is still coming. I just want you to know, if you are in Ghana and you need Ghana cedis, I say call me. If you are in Ghana and you need Ghana cedis, this is money. This is money. Money. This is Ghana cedis. Just watch. Money. 15 million. See, if you are in Ghana, so call me the great man like Yakubu, and I can change your life. Only me can change your life. Only and only me. This is Ghana cedis. It's still coming. I said, if you are in abroad, anywhere, try to call me the great man like Yakubu, and I change your life. Just watch this one. It's a money. It's a real money. Yeah, yeah. It's a money. Still Ghana cedis. Just watch. Call me the great man like Yakubu, and I'll change your life. Only me can change your life. So my brother, just pick my number and contact me. This is dollar. See, that is dollar. Dollar. Just watch. Call me and I'll change your life for you. Only me, the great man like Yakubu. Yeah, the dollars is still coming. Jafatajua, Jahini, Jakatamatajua. I told you this one is a dollar, my brother. See the money and call me, my brother. It's me, only the great man Yakubu who can change your life. Pick my number and contact me and your life will be changed. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can let you to be rich. Just call me the great man Yakubu. I said, just call me. That is money. Money, only me can do what? Only me can do what? Nobody can do it. Only me. This is money, my brother. Pick my number and contact me. The money is for me. Yeah, I'm the one who charm it. Only me. So try to contact me and I will help you and your problem is solved. This is 120 Ghana cedis, my brother. Watch. See. Just watch. This is 20 Ghana cedis. Just watch it. Just watch. That is money. I will never lie to you. So if you are really need my help, my brother, I said this is what? Pounds. That is pounds. Pounds. If you are in Ghana and you need pounds, that is pounds. This is dollar, my brother. If you are in abroad, Nigeria, and you need my number, try to pick my number on the screen and call me. That is money. I just want you to know why they call money. Man, I just want you to know why they call money. This is Ghana cedis. Just watch, my brothers and sisters. Papa, mama, Mr. Family number. Where are your kudi? I say Lajano. Where are your kudi? I Ghana for a mope. Mutiamboa. Mr. Fana from the great man Yakubu. Namin Pon Obia Uncle, okay, mom. Where are you there? Are you Europe? Where am I afraid Europe? Crasona family number, Mr. Frame. I am the great man Yakubu. Sika, Mimi was Sika. Where are your dollar? I may catch you, say. I am Minkwan and met my idea of your ultimate yet. I am Minkwan. My brother, Kemanyani, Dokana Manaka Kirani, Chantanyeka, Wanga Kurikena, Dora Kena. But when Magana by my brothers and sisters, this is money. This is money. The money is still coming. Yeah, the dollar is still coming. Just watch it. My brother and sister, this is money. Just watch. Money. Money. Yeah. Trust me. All this one is a money. It's a money. Yeah. It's a money. See money. So try to call me. Contact me, the great man Yakubu. Just watch on the screen. Just watch on the screen and call me. See money. See money. See money, my brothers. I said see money. Just watch money. So call me the great man Yakubu and I will help you. And your problem will solve. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. I'm the only powerful spiritual man who can let you be someone in future. So just pick my number and contact me and I'll help you. Yeah, manya mutane Ghana dokana mbanka kirani. Just pick my number. Contact me so I will help you, the great man like Yakubu. I'm the only man who can solve your problem. Only powerful spiritual man who can change your life for you. So pick my number. Just look on the screen and pick my number and I'll help you to be someone. Only me. Manya mutani na doka scream na kadoka na malika kirani. Shani tanyeka shabuka tanka bia. Mba ni baba wane le tanyeka o. Wangali ka kudi kena na so gani ka kudi kena. Wangali ka kudi ni. Kudi na doka na wangali ka kudi kena. Mba ni baba wane le tanyeka. Papa, mame, we shame. We should just give us a family number. Na frame na mempo. My brothers and sisters, just watch on the screen and pick my number, the great man Yakubu, and contact me and I'll help you. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life. Only and only me. Yeah. Just watch money. Few minutes I take and comment all this money. So try to understand what you call spirit. We are not one, and we can't be one. So try to pick my number and contact me so that I will help you to be someone. Okay? If you refuse, you will lose. I said, if you refuse, you will lose. If you want to win a lotto number, I said, pick my number. If your business is not going through, just pick my number and I'll help you. Only and only me can change your life. I am the only one who can let you be someone in future. So my brothers and sisters, just watch on the screen and call me. And I'll help you to be someone. Only me, the great man Yakubu. Mr. Fremen. My number is 024 650 6334. Mr. 024 650 6334. My number no. I know Biana, my number no. And the Fremen. Try to contact me and I will help you. Yeah. Try to contact me and I will help you. Only me, my brother. If you are a man or woman, pick my number and I will help you. I am the only powerful spiritual who can change your life. Only and only me, my brother. Just watch money. See money. Cameraman, let them see the money. Just let them see all the money. That is spiritual money. All is spiritual money. So if you really need my money, or if you really want to be billionaire, if you want to be rich forever, try to contact me and I'll help you and you'll be rich forever. Yeah. Trust me. If you want to be rich forever, try to contact me and I'll help you to be rich forever. So if you are a man and you are watching me on this television, thank you for watching me. The great man Yakubu, I appreciate all of you. We are all Ghanaians and we are here to help each other. So I want you to know that if you are not hearing any language, try to pick my number and I'll help you. Assalamu alaikum.